Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I'll tell you a secret today. Yes, I'm going to tell you my secret today. How I keep improving on my communication skills, or rather how I keep working on to improve my communication skills every single day. What method I follow and what I do, I'm going to tell you in this session. So if you want to improve your communication skills, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, this is the right platform for you. This is the right video for you. So keep watching. Well, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And do write your comments in the comment section, guys. Every day I try to encourage you to write something or the other there, right? People who have taken that initiative, I really appreciate them that they've taken that initiative and they've started the discussion. But the lot of you who don't take that initiative, start taking that initiative, guys. It is absolutely going to help you to improve your communication skills. Start posting something in the comment section after watching the video. You can summarize it. You can just talk about what you like in the video. You can just take up any point and you can just suggest something there. There are lots of things you can talk about. So start doing this. Now let's get back to our topic. So I'm going to tell you one interesting thing which every day I follow to keep myself updated, to keep building on my communication skills. See, communication skills is something which you have to keep on building, right? It's not that there's a level that, you have reached this level and then that's it. You are at the top. Now you don't need anything. No. There are lots of people who are much better communicator than me as well, right? So there's no stopping, right? It is a journey. It's a learning journey, basically. Like whatever you learn, you feel that, that is not enough. It's the same with English speaking also. It's a journey you learn every single day. The more you practice, the more you get better at it. And you have to keep on doing this forever and ever, till the time you want to speak in English. The time you have thought that I don't want to speak this language, or it's okay, I don't want to use this language now, then that's fine. You can stop practicing that. But if you want to keep improving your communication skills, if you want to keep adding more confidence and clarity to your speech, keep practicing. And I'm going to give my secret today, what I do, which has helped me a lot to grow in my career and my personal life. And this method is called, it's very simple, guys, self-talk. Yes, I follow this every single day. You will not imagine that, whenever I'm free, I'm combing my hair, I'm doing something in the kitchen, or I'm sitting or watching something or the other keeps coming to my mind and I start speaking about it. I talk about it. Before going for any session, when I take sessions, before going for the session, I get a lot of time to spend, right? I dress myself up, I comb my hair, whatever, I do things. In the meantime, I keep on murmuring things. I keep on repeating things that how I'm going to present it. And I do talk to myself about it. Any topic which is there, right? The agenda is set, the topic is set, I have to speak on that. I keep on talking about it and I try to get better at it. It's not the same thing. I am not memorizing it. I'm just trying to talk about it in different ways so that, I can talk about the topic in the best possible way. Whatever comes to my mind, I just keep on adding. I just keep on speaking. Now this will confuse you. I'm going to simplify it for you. First thing what you can do is when you wake up, there are lots of things you do, right? You get out of your blanket. Just simply say, I have to get out of the bed now. I have to get out of my blanket now. I have to switch on my alarm. I'll quickly go to the washroom. I have to brush my teeth. I have to get ready for school, college, office, anything, right? Then when you want to dress up, you just talk about it. What should I wear today? Let me check my cupboard. Open your cupboard, see things, talk about it. This one I wore yesterday. This is a very light color. Today, the day is a little hot or a little cold. Let's wear this color. Pick up one. Let me pick this one and wear this. Wear it. Come for the breakfast. Let me have my breakfast now. What is in the breakfast? Sandwich and coffee. Wow, this is my go-to breakfast. It is very light and provides me enough energy till lunch. I love having this breakfast every now and then. Oh, the sandwich is so tasty. What is the stuffing inside? It's a vegetable sandwich. I'm going to office now. Let me grab my keys. Let me call the lift. I'm going to the parking lot. I'll take my vehicle and go to office. Whatever you are doing, just speak about it, talk about it. It doesn't take much of your time, guys. You can do everything simultaneously. That is why you have to get in the habit of doing this, right? You have to get in the habit of doing this. Every now and then, whenever you are doing something, just try to switch your brain and start talking about it. If you get in the habit of talking about it, anything which you are doing or whatever you're feeling like, it will be much easier for you to start speaking the language, and later on it will add fluency and confidence as well once you start speaking about real life situations. So the thing you're doing every day, whatever actions, activity or situation you are in, if you're talking about it every single day, it will help you to talk about real life situation only. And all our conversations are generally based on real life situations. We don't talk fiction. We don't talk future. While having a conversation, we don't say, oh, are you going to space? Or do you know what is there on moon? We don't talk about it, right? We don't talk about it. What we talk about is, why did you get late today? What do we talk about is, what did you do yesterday? How's your day going to be? What are your plans for the day? These are the real life conversations we have in real life situations, right? So that is why it's very essential to start talking about your basic things. What you are doing, what you are going to do, what you are seeing, what you are experiencing, whatever you are thinking. Talk about it. Take yourself. Whatever comes to your mind, just speak it in English or speak about it in English. Talk about it in English, right? There are lots of times which you have wherein you can talk to yourself in English. I understand while after going out, between your colleagues, you will not be able to self-talk. But there you can just discuss that. The same thing, if you get in the habit of doing this, you will definitely do this there also. You will say, oh, it's lunch time, let's go. What did you get for lunch? Let's check my lunch box. What's there for lunch today? Oh, I've got some fried rice. What did you get? Oh, it's so tasty. You can speak about it. It's not difficult, guys. When you get in the habit of doing it, you will not feel awkward. You will not feel weird talking about things. These are very basic things which we do talk about, right? After having lunch, you can go for a walk. Just say, let's go for a walk. You can talk about a thing or two in English about walking is very good exercise. I love walking. You can share things with your colleagues also, what they prefer doing, right? What kind of exercise they love doing. Whatever topic, you can just take up and you can start directing the conversation in English. It's not difficult at all, guys. It's not difficult at all. Nowadays, people want to speak in English. You will get people who are interested in talking to you in English, right? So start getting in the habit of talking about your activities, actions, and experiences or your thoughts. Take these four things and start talking about it. If you can't speak in front of others, just whenever you are home or when you are alone, talk about it. When you're going to your office, school, or you're going anywhere else, right? Talk about what you can see around you, right? You are in a vehicle, you're sitting there and you're watching things outside. Think about it in English. Start talking about it in English. The weather is beautiful outside. The streets are so busy. People are waiting for the commute. Some are having tea, coffee, or some are having their snacks or breakfast outside. People are crossing roads. Some people are in a hurry to reach their office or to reach their work. I can see a lot of vegetable and fruit stalls where people are coming to buy vegetables and fruits. Right? Lots of things we see every single day. Why can't we talk about it in English? On the way. So this is called self-talk or commentary styles or commentary style self-talk. I call it that way. Okay, commentary style self-talk. Just keep on talking about what you're going to do next or what you're seeing, what you're experiencing, what you're thinking about. There's a wonderful way of expressing yourself in English, right? And in this way, it will get very easy for you to start speaking about anything in English, right? When somebody asks you a question, you will not feel nervous. You will not feel intimidated. You will be able to control your nervousness. You will be able to frame a sentence and speak about it. Because you're used to talking in English in this way. If you're habituated to do something, it will not be a shock for you, right? Why we are shocked? When something unexpected comes to us, right? Which we are not very sure or confident about. And it's the same with English. We don't speak it every single day, every single time. We are not in practice of speaking it the whole time. So that is why when suddenly somebody asks us a question in English like, what are you doing or where are you going? It takes a moment for us to understand what the person is talking and how to reply to it. And we are in a state of shock. Like, how do I talk in English? What do I say? Whether I should use English or Hindi, right? We are very confused. We get nervous and then we mess it up. So that is why getting into the habit of self-talk or commentary style self-talk is the best way or is my secret to keep on building on our English speaking skills or English communication skills. So if you want to improve your English communication skills, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, try this method. Try doing this from today right now and do it for 30 days and you will see a lot of difference. For sure. These are very simple, basic methods, guys. And it is not a rocket science. It's very easy. It's very interesting also. Right? You don't have to think much about it. So start doing it from today. And let me know how you feel about it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.